Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a kind of exciting video for you guys. It's actually a collab that I'm doing with Lip Balm Queen here on YouTube. We're actually going to show you guys our top 5 favorite 90s toys slash items. Not all of mine are toys, but I mean, you'll see, but I had to show them anyway. Hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of video, and if you would like to see my top 5 favorite 90s items, then just keep watching. Unfortunately, all of this stuff is not from my childhood. I sadly don't have a lot of things from my childhood anymore, but I still wanted to show these because these were definitely some of my favorites from my childhood. First being the caboodle, and I have this large rose gold one, and I also have 2 of these little smaller ones, and these are a lot more like the old school kind of caboodle style, which I really love. This one's empty, but this one I actually have my little barrettes and things in, like my 90s barrettes and things. But this one was like perfect for my barrettes and bobby pins and stuff, and I'll probably use the other one for the same thing, but I had to get my hands on some more caboodles because they're just great for storage, and plus they're really cute. You know, the whole 90s vibes, I love them. And then this one I actually got from Ulta. The other 2 I found on Mercari for $11 for both of them, and they're originally from Urban Outfitters, and they were originally $10 each. So $11 for both of them I think is a really good deal. But this one was $20 I think on Ulta, but I had to get the rose gold one. I had my eye on this one for a long time. It was out of stock for a while, and I love the gold glitter accents. But yeah, I had to get my hands on one of these, and this is actually empty right now. I don't have anything in it except for my next item I want to share with you guys. The next item I have is a Tamagotchi, and this I also got on Mercari, but they do sell these at Target and Walmart, I believe, and I have not opened this yet. I wanted to go ahead and open this on camera with you guys and get it started and see how it works. So this one is actually smaller than the original one, and this is the 20th anniversary edition. On the back here it says it's the same characters as before and 1 surprise character. So I guess you get to pick your little, you know, your character, and here's like the different styles that they have. This is the one I have right here, which is the blue and like kind of pink. So we'll go ahead and get it started. I don't even remember how to use these, you guys, so okay. Hopefully you guys can see the little egg in there. I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to do. Is he hatching? He hatched! He hatched! What do I have? So the birth the Tamagotchi, pull up the tab, which I did. Number 2, reset if necessary. Set the clock. I don't really worry about the clock. Okay. So I guess I just wait until he calls. I just gave him a snack. How cute. And some food. Okay. So I guess you just feed him and stuff. It's been so long since I've had one of these, you guys. Okay, I don't want to keep feeding him. Okay, now he's sleeping. Aw, that's so cute. Hopefully you guys can see. I know it's probably a little hard with the glare, but he's snoozing now. He's all fat and happy. So that is so cool. I'm so excited to have another one of these. It's been so long. I actually used to have one, I think it was like a generic, but it was a baby, and it was so fun. My sister and I both had those, and they were so fun to play with. I'm so excited that these are back. So that is my second favorite item from the 90s. Okay, the next one is actually going to be Thai Beanie Babies. You guys remember these? These are all new, not new, but I've gotten all of these recently at a thrift store. But I had a ton of these when I was growing up, and these are all from the 90s. This one is Cuckoo. I just love his little pink hair and the pink, you know, wings and everything. And he was born January 5th, 1997. So that's Cuckoo. I love Cuckoo. And then this one, you guys see a theme here. They're all pink and iridescent and cute. I wanted them to like still kind of go with my like, you know, decor and things. But this one is Swirly, and his date of birth is March 10th, 1999. And these are all still in really great condition too. Like the tags are great, except for this next one. The tag's a little bent, but that's okay. This next one is super cute. I actually had this one out on display for Christmas time, but then I ended up leaving it out all year. This one is Halo, and his date of birth is August 31st, 1998. I just love the iridescent wings and the halo, and just super cute. Super cute. Okay, and this next one I have is more like the little teddy bears that you can like move their arms and stuff. I had a ton of these as well. And this one still even has a tag protector on it, but I'll go ahead and open it up so we can see the name and everything. Okay, so this one's name is Rafaela, and she doesn't have a year actually. Maybe she has one on her tag. Yeah, 1993. Doesn't say her date of birth in there, but the tag says 1993. She's super cute. So I definitely loved Beanie Babies. I wish I still had all of the ones I had because I know a lot of them are worth money now. Okay, so my next favorite item is actually not an item. I'm just gonna go with, you know, the 90s cartoons because, you know, Rugrats, Hey Arnold, and I actually have a bunch of Funkos that I want to show you. Now, of course, the Funkos aren't from the 90s, but the characters are, so I'm really excited to have my little 90s, you know, cartoon Funko collection of, like, you know, some of my favorite cartoons. So the first two I have to show you are from the Our Real Monsters cartoons, and here I have Crumb and Ickis. And I also have Oblina coming on the way, but I didn't want to wait to film this video because I've already been holding up Lip Balm Queen long enough. I wanted to get this video up for you guys, and so she could also, you know, upload her video. But here is Ickis and Crumb from the Our Real Monsters, one of my favorite cartoons as a kid, probably my #1 favorite. And I think my second favorite was probably Hey Arnold. So I have Banana Arnold and Strawberry Gerald. I don't know if you guys remember the episode where they were like putting on a play and they were all dressed as like fruits and veggies, but I have these two. And then I also have Helga. So I absolutely love these Funkos. They make me so happy. They bring back so many good memories from the 90s. It's such nostalgia. I love it. And then another favorite show was Doug. So I have Doug and Patty. And I also have Pork Chop. Gotta have Pork Chop. So these are from Doug. Absolutely love these, you guys. They just make me so happy. And then the last three I have, actually I have more. And then the next three I have are from Rugrats. So I have Reptar, matches my shirt, love it. And then I have little Tommy and Chucky, and I was so glad to get my hands on Chucky because for some reason he is worth more than the other ones, and I could not find him for cheaper than like $26 online. And then I finally found him for like $16 on Mercari, and I offered I think $14 and they accepted, so I was really excited to get my hands on Chucky because he's definitely my favorite character from Rugrats. And then I almost forgot about these. One of my other favorite cartoons was Rocko's Modern Life. So I have Rocco, and then he also came with his little dog Spunky. And you guys see his little feet? Oh, they're so cute. I just absolutely love these. And I don't know if you guys could tell with their little feet, they're like little pigeon-toed. So cute. I absolutely love having these in my collection, you guys. I have a ton of other Funkos that aren't really 90s related. Actually, one is, I'll grab it real quick. It's not a cartoon, but I have Peg Bundy from Married with Children. I had a brain fart. So I definitely have to get the other characters. I have Al Bundy and Bud Bundy and Kelly Bundy all on my wish list on Amazon. So I'm definitely gonna have to get those, but I had to get Peggy Bundy. I had to, you know, represent the redheads, so I had to get that one. Okay, you guys, my very last favorite, absolute favorite, this is my most favorite out of all these items. This is a very special gift from my sister. I had wanted one of these since I was a kid. You know, I've asked for it every year for Christmas, and for some reason I never got it, probably because he was always sold out. You know, he is very popular. So one year when we were in high school, my sister surprised me with him for Christmas, and I almost cried. It is Real Talkin' Bubba. Do you guys remember this guy from the 90s?
Hey, I need someone to play with. Are you paying attention? Will you play with me?
And then if you hold his mouth...
Hey, what are you doing? I hate when you grab my mouth.
I absolutely love him. I was so happy to finally have him in my collection, and this is just, I think this is probably the best gift I've ever received because it's so sentimental and nostalgic for me, and I absolutely love him. So again, this is Real Talkin' Bubba. He's got his little glasses on his head. Super cute. I think they had different styles of him. I want to say they had one, he was in like a beach shirt or something, but this one was definitely the OG. And I'm so glad to have him now. Okay, you guys, that was everything that I had to share. All of my favorite items slash, you know, things from the 90s. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you so much, Balm Queen, for collabing with me. I've had a lot of fun doing this, and I really appreciate you taking the time to do this collab with me. So thank you. If you guys like this type of video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to hopefully do some more collabs in the future. Maybe some more 90s related ones. Go ahead and check out Balm Queen's video. I will have that linked below so you can check it out easily. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.